Hello, this is Aldith, Underdahl, and Mark
Hello.
Underdahl. And it's day 6 for me at the Lake Yankton, South Dakota. And this is June 18, 2016. And this is hello from South Dakota. Hi, konnichiwa, ni hao, bonjour, dzień dobry, hola. Hello from hello. Okay. Take a walk in the water. Maybe you could film me and I'll try to float. I couldn't film myself, so now you can film me.
Oh, okay. It's your beach correspondent here. Aldith is going to try to float. I'm going to capture this momentous event on film. I don't know how far out she's going, but I'll just turn the camera out there when she's ready. Okay. Oh, you want me out there? Oh. Okay. Probably change the plans here.
That's what I say about nothing.
How you doing? Don't worry, I don't bite. Oh! Oh!
It's nice, and I don't think I'll burn anything.
Okay, now she's floating. Well, let's see if we can capture this. Okay, say something for the camera.
Hello, hi, Aldith here. I'm floating. At least I'm trying to float. How do I look?
Very floaty.
I try to turn my body into a chair, like a lounge chair or something.
By the way,
It's a great day.
if any other humans get in this video, we're not monetizing it. So don't get your underwear in a knot if you see yourselves.
Where are you?
To your right.
Oh.
Okay, bravo! Yay! By Aldith Underdahl, grade 5.
Wait, one more. You gotta get this one. I'm gonna do a handstand. Okay.
There we go. Okay.
Tilt it back a little bit towards you. Right there, perfect. Hold on.
Okay, go ahead. Bravo! Bravo!
Alright, let's do another handstand.
Okay, go ahead.
Try this. Okay, tilt it back towards you a little bit. Right there. Hold on.
Okay. Is that enough filming?
Huh?
Is that enough filming? Is that the end of the film?
Oh.
I don't want to sit here and hold this all day, you know.
Oh, you don't? Oh, but it's such fun.
No, it's...
One more.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm going to do this one for that. Okay, hold on.
Are you captain?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
I have to keep this from so my hair don't get into my face. So I can see you under the water.
Okay.
Okay. See ya. Go ahead, sweetie.
This is.
And do a handstand. What you want to do?
Oh, I'm just gonna
Enjoy the water.
enjoy the water. Good.
Water feels wonderful, doesn't it?
And we get out here often.
Yeah, this is my 6th day in a row.
Capture this.
Woohoo! Record! Yeah, I had to capture this one because it's record breaking for me. And there's more. There's more.
Is this thing on?
Here, this is.
Okay.
This is what I can.
Okay. All right.
All right, here.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hasta luego.
Hello, signing
Hasta la
off.
vista.
Where's the button?